Okay, hello everyone. This is the drum pump that they make. That they made the drum pump suck from the water from the river here to the right field over there. Over there is the right field. Is there is no even water up there, and they make the drum pump with a big intake water pipe here. So as you know that when we make a big intake water pipe, so the water is very heavy to suck up from down there from the river, so it's very hard to suck up. So this is the drum is maybe because very hard, so the pressure is make the drum deform because of very strong press from output water, very long pipe. That's why this drum trying to suck the water from a big intake water pipe over here, but you know, drum is soft, cannot put a big like this. If a big like this, it cannot suck, but it, however, it's still flowing down. As you can see that the water is still flowing down a little bit, but it's not full pipe, but little bit only, because they put the foot valve over there, and the water is like the water is still here. The water is here already because never return back because they put the foot valve. And when the drum is trying to suck up, and it is become deformed, but it still suck the water from the river. This one. So I can hear that the water drop down a little bit only, but it's not full of this pipe, because as you know that this is very soft drum, so it could not draw the water with a big pipe, big amount of water. It is very big, so it hard to draw the water from down to up. So that's why it's still working, but it's not very well because of the drum is already deformed. So I will show you at the end of intake output pipe, so how it works, because it's already deformed. So I'm going to see how the system works. So it looks like it's still coming, the water is still coming. As you can see, the water is still coming, but it seems not very strong, because you know the drum is already, oh, when I take up it almost stopped working. Okay, it's coming. Okay, it still suck the water, but the drum is already broke, almost broken. So we can see that drum, it's almost broken. It actually, if we have the valve at the output pipe, we can just volume down the water just a little bit, like a little bit, open the valve just like a 10 or 20%, so it will not press too much. And another way, if you want to sell the drum to make sure that not deform, make sure you don't put the drum too high from the water source, and don't try to put too big pipe. You just put a small pipe, like a 27 or 21 millimeter pipe, and you try to put the output pipe big like this, but the intake, no, the output pipe, you just connect to the big smaller one, and you use the valve, just make it like a 10% open valve. So that's why you can sell the drum. If your water source is too deep, you do like that, it means that the water intake in the intake pipe is very light, it's not too heavy, so this drum can draw the water up. So if the water source is very like very near like this, so you can just put a bigger like a 34 millimeter, it's okay because the drum can draw the water. So you can just measurement the weight of the long from the water source to the drum, how long is it, and the side pipe, how big is it. If you put too big, the weight is too hot, too heavy, so make the drum deform. So just something like that you can understand. And to draw the water, to make the drum pressure like this, to make sure that you have the output pipe is big and long and lower like this, it will be draw make the drum press and suck the water like this. Okay, so I hope you understand the process of drum pump work. So you cannot put too big at the intake water pipe, it's too heavy. If the the water source is too low or too long, and just volume down the output pipe over there, volume down, don't put just 100% out like this. So when the first time you open, the drum will completely deform like this, so you can't use the drum anymore. Okay, so this is all for my tutorial today. It just want to show you how the drum pump work and how to sell the drum if you want to do this type of drum pump. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you want to know more about free energy water pump or electricity, please feel free to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends to make sure they understand well about drum pump. Thank you very much. Bye. See you again soon.